The most powerful feature of Solid is its paradigm of separating data and apps. In the last episode, we created this address book. You remember the interface of SolidOS is really crap. Let's say it that way. But our pod stores the data about our contacts. And with Solid, we can use that data in other applications. And to show you how this is working in practice, I'm going to show you how we can open this address book in a different app. And I've been working on an app called contacts.podos.org. And we can use this app to sign in with our pod. And we will choose solidcommunity.net, sign in. And since we are already signed in with our pod, you can see our name and our profile picture here. This is already the first really cool thing. We already uploaded a profile picture on our pod. We don't need to add another profile picture for this app because it reuses our profile. And we don't need to sign up anymore for other apps. We just sign up once for Solid and we can use any Solid app. And now we're signed in here. And you can already see that our address book shows up here. And I can click it and it will fetch the data from our pod. And you can see the family group we created earlier and also the contact we added to the address book. You can open it. There's no information here yet because we didn't add any, but if, for example, I would have added the telephone number or email address, it would show up here. So this app already looks much nicer, but it has the disadvantage of not being feature complete yet. I could create a new contact. Perhaps we should do this. Let's test. Let's say we also create Jane Doe. Let's also add a phone number and save it. And here we are. Jane Doe was added to our address book. And we can switch back to our address book in SolidOS. And we will see that, no, we don't see it yet because SolidOS only allows to show people that are in group. Put all individuals with no group in a new group. So it found one. And let's refresh. So now we have a new group here and there's Jane Doe. Okay, so this is working. It's not really working very well from a user's perspective. But you can see that the data we added in the specialized app also shows up here with some caveats. But I hope you get the idea of having a single data storage that can be used by multiple apps. And what I wanted to say, so SolidOS is really bad UX. Specialized apps can do better, but an app like the PodOS Contacts application is not yet feature complete. But that doesn't matter much because you can also use multiple apps at the same time and they will operate on the same data. And if one app is not good enough anymore, you can switch apps, but you won't lose your data. This is the main advantage of using Solid. So this was a quick overview of how the data you created with SolidOS can be used in other apps and vice versa.